Hey everyone, if you want to use the Proton VPN Browser Extension in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to install and use it for secure browsing directly in your browser. First, the Proton VPN Browser Extension allows you to protect your browser traffic and change your IP address without opening the full VPN app. Start by opening your browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Now go to the Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension store. Type Proton VPN in the search bar and locate the official extension. Click Add to Browser and confirm the installation. Once installed, open the extension and log in with your Proton account. Now choose a server location from the list. Yeah, free users will see limited servers. Click Connect to activate the VPN. Your browser traffic will now be encrypted. Open a website and check your IP address to confirm the VPN is working. You can disconnect anytime or switch servers directly from the extension panel. For better privacy, always keep the extension enabled when using public Wi-Fi or unknown websites. A common mistake is thinking the browser extension protects your entire device. It only protects browser traffic, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Proton VPN Browser Extension in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.